Good morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. Wednesday morning, May 28th. New highs for the year in prices in the 10-year note and the 30-year bond. New lows in the yield. Long-term shorts are still being tortured by events. Overnight, the latest boost, overnight violence in the Ukraine, and also a weak German employment number have pushed Bund yields down, pushed our yields down. Our yields look relatively good compared to the very extremely low German rates, and so here we are pressing the top of the bull channel once again. And this is even with the stock market, at least earlier today, on all-time highs. Stocks have pulled back a little bit, are more choppy than weak, however, yet this is not seemingly holding note and bond buyers back. I mean, people just bought into this idea that this kind of new neutral, this Larry Summers type idea that this is the new normal, and these rates in a new normal environment of low growth in the developed world make a 2.5% yield look like a reasonable purchase, even on a 10-year note. Anyways, later today there will be a 5-year note auction, so we'll test these levels to see whether or not the real buyers are there. Probably will be. Tomorrow, jobless claims, GDP, a couple of Fed governors speak, pending home sales index, but the bigger deal will be Friday's personal income, Chicago PMI, and consumer sentiment. A couple of Fed governors, actually 3 Fed governors, speak on Friday also. But the big picture here is kind of a changing attitude about rates. There's less fear about cycle highs the next time the Fed, whenever they do have to raise rates, and people are willing to lock in these 10 and 30-year yields at levels that at the beginning of the year I'm sure 99% of the participants would have looked as too low. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Please give me a ring. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.